Okay. Damn, that's a lot of traffic. Okay, welcome to the vlog. Ah, this is gonna be a nightmare. Gently does it. I've got to wait for the boys behind me as well. Oh yeah, they're there. This sucks. Yeah, mate, if you can move over. It's like you read my mind. Oh, and you, thank you. Don't want to get killed by a J-Coup, of all things. Not even a Range. A fake Range Rover. He asked for a rev. I reckon that scared the shit out of him. God, it's chaos. I only wanted to go to a bike night. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Taking the Super Duke 1290R out today to a little bike meet. Got the boys with me. I've got Hazmoto and I've got my friend Chris. We've just put new fairings on Haz's bike. They are ridiculously bright. Here he is, look. I could have went, but no. But yeah, they are bright yellow, so funnily enough, he's even more bright than I currently am on this Super Duke. If you couldn't quite tell already, it's rush hour traffic, 6 PM. While everyone's just chilling in their cages, we thought, why not get the bikes out, go for a cheeky little bike meet. Okay, check my microphone is still there. Yes. So, highlighter. Yeah, so we did the whole fairings yesterday. It's super bright. Matches all of his other yellow gear. And then we got a new sticker as well. Is this a two-way or a three-way? How can it... There we go. Bosh. I'm pretty sure this is the first vlog on the Super Duke. I actually tried to do one the other day and I messed up the microphone positioning, so the audio come out really bad. Wasn't even usable, so I scrapped it. I'm technically trying again now. Wait. Yeah, good. Just wanted to make sure he didn't think I was the only bike. So I'm hoping this traffic just disappears from now on and we can get some nice clear little runs on some twisty back roads instead of just boring, crawling traffic. That's better. I said to Haz, he's on the same bike as I have, I said, watch how quick this bloody Duke can be. I missed the... Got way through. I missed a shift up the hill, which is quite surprising because it was only like a 4th to 5th shift or something like that. Honestly, this bike, so much fun. It's nowhere near as quick as the ZX-10R, of course, but, you know, up until about, I want to say 100, it's probably pretty even. But then the ZX-10's aerodynamics, whatever, just take over and you're off. But it does hold its own for a short period of time. Where are you going? Left lane, right lane? Ah, there you go, right lane. I'm glad we could pick. I was waiting for him. The flyby on that sounded so good. It was like, yeah, it sounded good. Yeah. Had him on the ZX-10R that time. I'm so wide. Yes. I guess. Go. All right, we are here in style. Wonder if it's busy. I think these are photographers, so yeah. Where are we parking then? Up the front, of course. Just park it here. Sick. Right, we're here. Lovely jubbly. a nice little bike meet. Quite busy actually. Right, so now I'm planning to basically just go help my mate put fairings on his bike. They're for a 2000 R1, so I thought, that's where I'm going after this. Why not do the little vloggy vlog over there, because it's a nice little ride. I don't think Haz is very happy. He's getting left by a Super Duke. This bastard on this E-clutch is going to race me off the line. I said, this bastard with an E-clutch is going to race me off the line. That's funny. I've got to make sure I'm in gear. He's probably put it in launch control as well, knowing him. Oh, that's funny. Let's see if I can just get him just with the Super Duke power. There we go. Oh yeah. Super Duke power. Yeah, because that E-clutch Honda, all you got to do is just go, twist the throttle. Awesome. Off the line, that is. Don't know about everywhere else. I barely beat that bike with the ZX-10R on launch control, which shows you how much of an advantage it is. I think we're going. He wants round 2. You want round 2, do ya? You want round 2? Nah, this straight. You can't say you can't control a wheelie on that when I'm sat here on the 1290 controlling it. He had me that time off the line, I'll give him that. I think I wasn't paying as much attention. Better. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, like, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.